Hunter, sleaze on the prowl. The promo promised naughty American Pie kind of humor. The film is even smuttier in a desi way and will perhaps spawn a few sequels. Three school-going boys ogle girls, talk about girls and tease one another the way curious little boys do. They grow up pretty much the same way with girls on their minds and conquests on the agenda. Especially for Mandar, a self-confessed Vasu, the kind who can sniff a girl and size her up. He's even got a mantra that works. Go for the second best, he advises his buddies, for she'll always be easier game than the queen bee of a group. Mandar does cheap stuff like staying back in a lift to stare at a girl in a backless blouse, even if he has to take the stairs down after riding right up to her floor. For kiddish giggles, cousin Kshitij keeps unzipping and watering the plants. Once he grows up and dons an army officer's uniform, the girls follow. It's purely physical fun for Mandar and Kshitij, who even share a key to an apartment and score well enough to be satiated, until Kshitij unexpectedly falls in love with the unlikeliest girl and marries her. Mandar has Savita Bhabhi lined up every time her husband is out of town. He also hunts second best Parul and smoothly moves in for the kill. Then seduces middle-class married woman Jyotsna from the neighborhood. And he gives a lift to transit passenger Shobha, hoping to get something more than just coffee from her room. Some twists are funny, while some are predictable, and you wonder where it's all going. Until Mandar meets Trupti, who's been no saint either. If you're looking for the kind of cheap thrills that send young college kids into peals of laughter, Hunter won't keep you down, and that's not a pun. As a schoolboy, Mandar watches Havas Ki Rani, and when he's caught, he claims he thought he had come to watch Chota Chetan. At this, the cop asks him, Chota Chetan dekhne ya Chota Chetan bada karne ke liye aaya? There's also a reference to self-help under the bedsheet, followed by the giggly remark, Chadar ko starch kiya. That's the kind of brazen stuff strewn all over. What doesn't work is that director Harshvardhan Kulkarni swings back and forth in time, which wasn't really necessary since irrespective of the time period, it's only a string of sexcapades at every turn. Gulshan Deve as Mandar makes a creditable sleazeball. Radhika Apte as Trupti is perky, pretty and proficient. Sai Tamankar is comfortably cuddly as housewife Jyotsna. There's some thoughtful casting done here as the juniors somewhat resemble the adults they grow into, and everybody performs ably, which again is not a pun. For a film that young adults will enjoy for its unapologetic sexual humor, Hunter gets a 3-star rating.